Hi, so let's continue. So in the previous lecture, we understood how we can search an image using the podman command. Suppose I want to pull an image, then what would be the command? And before to download or pull an image from the registry, I just want to inspect that image. Then what is the command for that? Let me show you. So podman search Python. So this command is going to search the images from various registry location. So let me take this one, and I'm going to use the skopeo inspect command to examine different container images formats from a local directory or a remote registry without downloading the image. So skopeo and inspect and this one. So I'm getting some fatal error. Let's see where is the problem. So here you have to add one more thing, that is docker ://. So this is the correct format if you want to examine the container image. So I have got the big output. So basically this command displays a list of available version tags, expose, ports of the containerized application and metadata of the container image. So you can use this command to verify that the image contains the required Python package or not. So this is one thing. After inspection, I just want to download that image to my local system. So podman images, it will list you how many images are currently present on your system. As of now, there is no image. So the command is podman pull and this one. It is not required to give the complete path like registry.access.redhat.com. It is just to specify that I want this package and this package should be downloaded to my local system specifically from this location. If you are not specifying, then your local system will look for different registries that you have mentioned in the container configuration file, and from there it will download it to your local system. So it's a big file, that's why it is taking time. So after the download is complete, and again if you fire the podman image command, it will start showing the Python image, and in the image it will provide you like the registry tag, image ID as well, when this image was created, what is the size of image. So you will get each and everything with the command podman images. So just wait for a few more seconds. So that's done. Now let me fire podman images. Now you can see this image has been successfully downloaded to my local system, and you can see the tagging as well. It's the latest one. This is the image ID, and this image was created 11 months ago on the registry location, and the size is 898 MB. So here we have just downloaded the image. So image is on my system. We have not started this image as a container. I will show you what is the command for that. So friends, that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.